should do every month, okay, to keep us sharp. So one drill every month. And that will be part of your accreditation as coach. Okay, yung continuous accreditation as coach, meron tayong mga requirements ngayon. Okay, so we're going to be discussing it there. So it's going to be an exciting time. It's going to be ma-enhance yung interaction natin lahat. So lahat tayo bibilis. It's going to take everybody a notch higher when it comes to being a coach and when it comes to being a practitioner of power memory. Secondly, what we're going to do, isa sa mga features din nun, is business coaching articles, okay? I believe our chairman, Mr. Pilapil, will explain later on yung business coaching aspect. But there will be also a forum there for franchisees and business managers ng Power Memory on how to improve the business, articles, etc. Okay, so we'd like to encourage you, hindi pala encourage you, require you. Okay, we'd like to record. So kindly go to wordpress.com. Okay, it's a blogging site. So,
Ano yung vlogging?
blog, web blog. Yan, parang may diary ka
Di ba
doon.
yung pinakakita?
Nagbulag yun, bulag. Okay, so what you can do is you can just get a name there. Pag sign up kayo, you don't have to have your own blog. Kung gusto nyo, magandang blogging tool rin yun, okay? Kasi natatrack nyo kung sino pumupunta sa site nyo. But kahit hindi kayo mag-blog doon, you can just get a name, so pwede kayo mag-input, mag-comment sa mga discussion forum natin. Okay? So is that okay? Everybody? So it's up already, wala pa nga ng discussion, okay? But get your usernames. Okay? Okay. So ganun kahit ating assignment.
Yay!
Thank you, Coach Ernie. Hindi na akong microphone. Anyway, like I said, this is just the announcement of it. Okay? The details and the mechanics will be explained to you further during our upcoming boot camp. We will be having another boot camp. Who was there pala, not here. There. Who was there during the last boot camp last year. Okay. We will be doing another boot camp. Parang tayo lang yata yung nandun ah. Nandun kayo lahat ah. Okay, si Ma'am Laura nandun. And of course, yung mga wala dito. Our boot camp last year was just overnight. Okay? This time, because of the extent and the kind of activities that we will be having, we will do a boot camp for one entire month.